the Andromeda Saga, a new compelling explanation of where we are headed and what we should do now. Nearly an entire century of observing the world's development has enabled us to formulate a new narrative explaining where we come from, where we are headed, and what we should do now. You will gain personal benefit if you read a few engaging novels that recount the adventures of the arrivals, our ancestors already active here on Earth. This brief promotional film cannot capture the full depth of the saga's message. Instead, we invite you to discover a selection of reels introducing our original ideas, elements of a unified vision that seeks both to explain the world and to suggest how one might act within it. The Andromeda Saga, this new legend, offering meaning and significance to each of us, begins with the story of arrivals from another, yet similar planet, where love and sexuality are shaped by empathy. The first novel of the sequel, titled The Arrivals from M31 Galaxy Are Among Us, unfolds aboard a spacecraft. The landing of the arrivals on the surface of our planet is portrayed in the second novel of the sequel, Sissy the Alien.
Tomorrow we land on the surface of this planet and begin our rescue mission. I came from Andromeda, but I know the history of your Empress Sissy. She was a feminist like me.
We can already listen to what planets and their stars say to each other. This concerns us.
I am honored to be invited to a conference about where our civilization is heading.
The novel Where Are We Headed? Join the conference is the central link in the Andromeda Saga. It reveals many mysteries and often surprises and astonishes. Sex is pushed into the shadows. Vulgar arrogance, raw brutality is entering the mainstream. That's the real shift.
The most dangerous idea, that your body needs to be controlled.
The history of sexuality is not a story of desire. It is a story of fear, control, and resistance.
What if the most powerful medicine is not a drug, but a woman who knows how to touch your soul?